Hello friends, welcome to infotech channel. So in this session, I would like to explain anonymous function. Okay, so anonymous function in JavaScript. Okay, the function without a name is called anonymous function. Okay, so basically we will write the syntax like let me create new file. Now we can save this file with the functions tree. Functions tree dot html. Functions. So let me take your JS functions. Style. So I'm taking here an h1 background background color dark green, color white, padding 20 pixels. So right click open in default browser. Okay, now let me create anonymous function. So let me create a script tag. Anonymous function. Okay, so for anonymous function, so I told you that function without name is called anonymous. So basically we will write the syntax like this. Okay, so write function. Okay, so followed by parenthesis. Okay, so we will write okay, the statement is here. Statement here. Okay, so this is nothing but anonymous function. Okay, so let me take a simple example here. Okay, I want to create some simple anonymous function. Let show equal to function. Okay, and function doesn't having any name here, and I may take your console dot log. Okay, I may write here um, anonymous function. So in above example, so there is no name for the function. Okay, so if you want to access this one, you may call this show like this. This is the simple calling of this calling of function. Okay, let me go to this browser just to reload this page. Right click open in inspect, go to this console part. Okay, so I am anonymous function. Okay, like we can create here anonymous function. And next thing, so we can also pass the arguments for anonymous function. So how to pass an arguments for anonymous function? Okay, so let me take an example. Pass the arguments to anonymous function. Okay, so for this, okay, let me take let me create an object. Okay, I want to create an object here. Okay, so let person equal to first name, consider D. Okay, and last name. Okay, last name. I may take here Pulicharla. Okay, and now let me call this function. Okay, to call this function I'm creating I told you that we have a syntax in above line of code. Okay, let me call this one function. Okay, let me create here anonymous. So let me create here anonymous function. So inside of this console.log, okay, I may print here person dot first name plus person dot last name. Okay, now we'll call this function. Let me take here person. Okay, let me go to this browser once. Just reload this page. So we will get the output here. Okay, so first I created one object here. Next I'll created one function, one anonymous function. So inside of this I'm using this object property. So object property, that is object name dot property. Okay, and now we're calling this here the person. Okay, like we can use here anonymous functions. So in this anonymous function, okay, um, you can also create like the we can create a object and we can access this using anonymous, right? Now in this anonymous we can also use an arrow functions. Okay, so how to declare arrow notations. Okay, now arrow functions. For arrow functions, okay, so we will learn very interesting topic in ES6, that is an arrow notations. Okay, so you can omit the function keyword. Okay, so we have function keyword is there, right? This is a keyword. Okay, we can omit this one. Okay, and if the function take a single parameter, then you can also omit that parameter using this arrow functions. Okay, so if a function having a single statement, then you can also omit this curly braces like in a block statement is there, right? We can also remove. Let me create an arrow notation first. Okay, so constant let me create that one constant f1 equal to, okay, function. Okay, directly you can write here return return hello JavaScript. Okay, so you can write like this. Okay, the same thing I'm using the arrow function. How I will write in the sense constant. Okay, the same function. I'm changing this name f2 function 2. Okay, now I'm directly take here the parenthesis and arrow notation. Okay, simply you can write hello everyone. Hello everyone. Okay, you can write like this is arrow notation. So if you want to print this one, you can write console.log. Okay, so I may print this one f2. Okay, let me go to this browser, just reload this page. Okay, so I may get here hello everyone. Okay, next this arrow function using arguments. Okay, so using arguments, how we can create this constant f3 constant f3 equal to function. Okay, and may take argument 1, and so I may take here a return statement. Okay, next we can take here backtick operator. Okay, value of the argument. Okay, let me take a dollar symbol, so we can take here argument 1. So like we can take here in general function. Okay, so same thing I may use here using arrow function. Using arrow function, how we can write this two arguments. Okay, like one argument also, how we can place this using a arrow function. Okay, so here constant f4 equal to, okay, so I may take here argument 2. Okay, directly you can write here. Okay, value of the argument. Okay, dollar arg2. Okay, like we can make a arrow notations. Okay, now using arrow function, okay, with two arguments. Okay, so how we can set this using arrow function, using two arguments. Okay, so constant f5 function 5 equal to I may take your argument 3 comma argument 4. I have two arguments here. Next we can directly take here argument 3 multiplied argument 4. Simple, like you can take like this. Okay, this is just using arrow notations. Okay, and next thing we can use this keyword in this objects. Okay, this keyword in current functions. So let me create one object here, constant, using this keyword. Okay, so for this keyword I may take here constant obj equal to, so I may take here name daily training. Okay, and I may take one function here, that is a magic. Okay, magic function. I may return something value. Okay, return, sorry, so return hello. Okay, so I may take here hello comma, so I may take okay, this dot name. this dot name. So here this refers to the current object. Okay, I want to call this one. Okay, to call this function. Okay, so I'm gonna take here console dot log. Okay, obj dot magic. Let me go to this, reload this page. Hello, daily training. Okay, like you can print here this one. So next we have destructured arguments. Destructured arguments. For destructured arguments, okay, so I may take here declare one object constant o equal to, okay, a hello a1 hello friends a2 welcome to UI infotech channel. Okay, come on, so I'm creating a3. Please subscribe my channel. Okay, so here I'm creating okay, three values, like four values in object. Okay, now let me create here function. Okay, function name get data. Okay, so I may take your so inside of this, let me take this an object, right? A1 comma a2 a3 a1 a2 a3. Okay, now so inside of this you may write return. Okay, so return, I'm taking backtick operator, so I may print a, so I may take here a1 a2 a3. Okay, follow this. To call this function, console.log. Okay, so here you can write get data, and may call this object. Okay, object name, like we can use here. So destructive argument when you run this one on the browser. So hello friends, welcome to your infotech channel. Please subscribe my channel. So next, using an array. Using array, same we can take constant array. Okay, so I may take here daily training program. Okay, now I may declare one function here, declare and function. Okay, function f I may take here I may take B1, B2, B3. Okay, B1, B2, B3. So inside of this, let me return this value. Return. So I may take B1, B2, and B3. Okay, now let me print this one. Let me call this function console.log. Call this function console.log. Okay, so I may write here err, sorry, f err. Go to this, just reload this page. Daily training program. Okay, so like we can create here, okay, using an array. Okay,